Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Alright, well, in this box, I got an early release. So, if you guys want to see what this shoe looks like in my hands, stay tuned. Alright, let me quit rambling. We're going to get it going. Alright, this is the pull tab. So let's... We knew that pull tab was going to act up. We all knew the pull tab was going to act up. So we just going to tear the damn box up. We just going to tear it up. Just tear the box up. Just tear the box up. Tear it up. Tear it up. Alright. We got the OG Nike box in red with the Nike logo in black. And let's read the tab. These are women's size 9, women Air Jordan Retro High OG. This is, and I'm not going to say the color name because the color name is the title of the shoe. So, oh shit. I'm trying not to cuss on camera. Oh, Lord. These are the Nike High, women's high Varsity red Nikes. Here it is right here. Let me move that string out that way for you, Lord. Here they are in my hands, in the flesh. Let's see. Color. The color is light iron ore varsity red sail. That is the colorway on the shoe. Let me go ahead and pull out the other shoe so you guys can see both shoes. That's weird. There's no dead stock knocking that, but that's okay. We don't care. Here's both shoes in person right here. Flip them over to the side right there. And we're going to flip them to the other side. We got an extra pair of laces and we have a logo. What do? We always pull that left shoe because we are lefties in this house. But we are going to pull the right because there's extra stuff on that. So the varsity red is going to be, the primary color on here is the varsity red. That's all the way through the shoe. The iron ore is going to be on the top, which is that gray. You have your white or, yes, white. And then the swoosh. I'm going to get in close so you can see that swoosh is a chenille swoosh, which that was one of the names I heard the shoe was going to be called the Jordan 1 chenille. So I don't know where the varsity red name came in. I don't know. The iron ore is also on the tongue. The varsity red is on that Nike Air embroidered in the tongue tab. White toe. White cap toe on the toe and red, like I said, red all around. Got their red bottom and we got an extra pair of laces in the sail color. I'm gonna bring the right shoe out because we got a little surprise here. What is the surprise? Let's see. And I already know what this surprise is. I've seen it. Let's see if I can do it without tearing the paper, and I'm gonna have to tear the paper. That sucks but so whatever. I know what this is. Here we go. And here it is. Made that quick. That's going to be a Nike tab in the chenille also right there. So oh, I forgot to show you guys the inside. I'm super excited and I'm kind of doing this quickly. The inside right there is in that iron ore with the Nike written in red. There we go. With the Nike Air written in red. Like I said, this is a women's size 9. I've been waiting on this shoe because as I said earlier, or no, I didn't say earlier. This shoe dropped yesterday on you guys. I was able to get early access and I got it last Saturday. Today, as I'm recording today, is Thursday and I'm recording it. I literally just got these. I just came upstairs and just got them from the front desk here in my building. And I've been waiting for these. I thought they were coming yesterday and it came today. So I've been waiting and putting fashions together and trying to figure out what to do with this shoe. And I think everything that I picked is going to look good. So without further ado, let's get to the fashions. Okay, for this look, I'm going to a Cardinal game. So what do? You pull out your Cardinal jersey. I have a replica. This is a collector's jersey from Mitchell & Ness for Lou Brock, of course. So I pulled out my Lou Brock jersey. Yes, this is my actual jersey. Before you guys ask, this is my actual jersey. So I paired it with my Bermuda shorts from Universal Threads at Target. Shoe, nothing else. I didn't grab a bag or anything because I believe we cannot take bags to Busch Stadium. So I just was like, we're not going to do a bag or anything. So, but this is the look that I went with. Let's get up close and personal with the shoe so you guys can see it on my foot. And okay, here we go. Here is the shoe on my foot. I went ahead and I kept the tag on. I'm old school. And if you guys remember, I think like in the 90s, people used to keep tags on their hats and they used to keep their tags on their shoes. So I said, I'm gonna take it back to the old school and keep that Nike tag on the shoe. Let me get in a little closer so you guys can see that tag right there. Here's the front of each shoe. I went ahead and I did two laces. I did the sail on my left and I did the red on my right, just to kind of show you guys the contrast of how the strings will look either color. I mean, how the shoes will look with either color strings. That's what I'm trying to say. Let me go ahead and turn to this side so you can see the shoe with the sail lace and you can see that swoosh. Let me get in a little closer so you can see that swoosh a lot better in that chenille. These shoes are comfortable to me. I'm actually feeling them. I really love how comfortable the shoes are. And I love this color red. The color kind of gives me more of a crayon red, but it does match the cardinal red on my jersey. So yeah, this shoe is really cool. And let's get on to the next look. Okay, and for this outfit, I went with this shirt dress from the Lisa Marie Fernandez collection. She did with Target. I think this was in 2020. So I did this black and white shirt dress with the Varsity Reds. For the bag, I went with my little Coach bag. And for glasses, these are my Kate Spade square glasses. I'm going to brunch. I'm hanging out. I'm running errands. I look cute. This also has a long strap, so if I want to go, if I want to have hands free, I can do that. Or this can go on my wrist, of course. Funny thing is, if you guys remember my entryway video, this is the purse that sits at my front door. So I want to pull this bag out for this dress. I want to do a fun dress for this, and let's get up close so you can see the shoe one more time, and I'm going to wrap this up. Okay, and here's the shoe one more time so you can see it with the dress up close. I wish this tag would just stay like that. It will not. It keeps flipping over. But yeah, here is the dress with the shoe. Yeah, I love this. I love this, the black and white with the red look. Let me step back a little bit more so you can see it a little bit. See a little bit more of the skirt. But you guys are down here so you can see the shoe. Let me get it right here so you guys can see the shoe one more time with the black and white. Let's throw in the bag. Oh, let's throw the bag in a little bit, you know, put a little bag action with it right there. So yeah, but this is the shoe one more time up close. Varsity red is the majority of the color. Then you have the white all around the swoosh and on the toe cap. The bottom of the shoe is also varsity red. The tongue is a gray. I went with the sail shoestring on the left foot, and on the right foot I did the red shoestring. The swoosh is in the chenille, right along with the cool little Nike Air tag that they gave us on the right shoe. And yep, this is the shoe in action. Oh yeah, if you guys want to know, these are pretty comfortable. Like a standard Jordan for me. Jordan 1 is my favorite silhouette, and I love this. It's very comfortable for me. So yeah, I could wear this, you know, running errands and hanging out with friends and stuff like that. So yep, here is the shoe for the last time. Well, not the last time, but on my foot for the last time. All right, I hope you guys liked the choices that I made fashion wise for this video. And here we go right here. Let me give you the shoe one more time. Here is the Jordan 1 OG High Women's Varsity Red. And let me give you the colorway one more time. You have white on the toe, all around the swoosh on both sides. The Varsity Red is the majority color all around. Your swoosh is in a chenille fabric. And the iron ore color is on the tongue and also around the top and around, all around the top and the tongue, like I said. The Nike Air is written in the Varsity Red color. You also get an extra pair of laces in the sail colorway. And on the inside, the sole is in the iron ore, and on the bottom you have that Nike written in, Nike Air written in on the bottom. There we go, right there. There. So, oh my gosh, I've been waiting. Like I said, I've been waiting on these shoes. I actually got them last Friday. I'm tripping. I was shocked that I was able to get early access. Well, let me not say I never get early access. I have gotten early access before, but for shoes I wasn't going for. So to get early access on a sneaker that I have been genuinely waiting for, the sneaker gods were on my side. I'm wishing everybody luck that is trying to get this shoe, that went for the shoe yesterday. I wish you guys lots of luck. I hope y'all were able to get them, that got them. And if you weren't able to get them, hopefully you're able to pick them up in a store. I know Foot Locker's doing a raffle. Of course, the Sneakers app has raffles. I think Sneakers and Stuff, SNS, I believe they have raffle. I almost entered their raffle. I was going to, but I ended up was able to get them on Sneakers app. So good luck to everybody that was able, that went out for them. Congratulations to everybody that got them, and those who didn't get them, hopefully you are able to pick them up at retail price and not resale. Okay, we don't do resale in this piece. So that is it for this video. I'm gonna get on out of here. I need to get back to work. As you all know I normally record these at my lunchtime. So, and we are sitting on a good 20 minutes, so let me hurry up and get done. So if you guys like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Or is it like and subscribe? I think it's like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone involved, including myself. If you guys want to read anything, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I talk about everything from sneakers, handbags, home, marketing, music, and everything in between. Just my life and stuff that I like. And that is it for this video. I'm gonna get out of here. Talk to me below if you have any questions here on YouTube. That is it. Gotta go. Love, peace, hair products, sneakers, handbags, lifestyle, home, music, everything. Bye.